Good morning, friends. Today is a beautiful day in the forest. Wake up, everyone.
Good morning, Panda. I am still sleepy.
Look outside, the birds are singing.
Quack, I hear them.
Stretch your arms, everyone.
Now I feel awake.
Time to brush our teeth.
Quack, so many bubbles.
Splash, splash, this water is cold.
Cold water wakes us up.
Oh no, my jacket feels tight. Let me help you. Thank you, monkey.
Helping friends makes everyone happy. Breakfast is ready.
Bananas for me. These carrots are yummy. Quack delicious.
Let's go to the park.
I want to climb everything. These flowers smell amazing. Quack, so many colors. Higher, higher.
Be careful, Bunny.
Quack, look at the fish. They swim so fast.
Snack time, everyone.
Apples for me.
Look at the butterflies.
Quack, they are beautiful.
The sun is going down.
Today was fun.
Dinner will be ready soon.
I will help with carrots.
This is the best dinner. Quack teamwork dinner.
Good night, friends.
Sweet dreams, everyone.